Hi friends! Today I'm going to read you a book and it's called Because a Little Bug Went Choo, and it's by Rosetta Stone and illustrated by Michael Frith. You may not believe it, but here's how it happened one fine summer morning. A little bug sneezed, "Ka-choo!" Because of that sneeze, a little seed dropped. Because that seed dropped, a worm got hit. Because he got hit, that worm got mad. Because he got mad, he kicked a tree. Because of that kick, a coconut dropped. Because that nut dropped, a turtle got bopped. Because he got bopped, that turtle named Jake fell on his back with a splash in the lake. Because of that splash, a hen got wet. Because she got wet, that hen got mad. Because she got mad, that hen kicked a bucket. Because of that kick, the bucket went up. Because it went up, the bucket came down. Because it came down, it hit Farmer Brown, and that bucket got stuck on his head. Because it got stuck, Farmer Brown phoned for help. Because of his phone call, policemen came speeding. Because they were speeding, they hit a big stone, and so one policeman flew up all alone. Because he flew up, he had to come down. And because he came down on the boat Mary Lou, and because he hit hard, he went right on through. He made a big hole in the boat Mary Lou. Because of that hole, the boat started to sink, and because it was sinking, well, what do you think? Everyone started to yelp, and Mrs. Brown called on the phone for more help. Because of her phone call, more help came fast. They tied a strong rope to Mary Lou's mast. And because of that rope, the boat didn't go down, but it had to be fixed, so they started for town. And because they went there, it's true, I'm afraid, they ran right into a circus parade. And that started something they'll never forget. And as far as I know, it is going on yet. And that's how it happened, believe me, it's true. Just because a small bug went ka-choo. The end. Bye, friends.